show you how to install ZOE on a Linux computer. For the Windows computer help, please see the Windows install video. So installing it's pretty easy. There's no install manager needed. It's pretty much just copying over a file or a folder. So you copy over the folder from a flash drive, and typically I put it on my home directory. You want to call the folder ZOE or ZOE HMI, something memorable. You come into the ZOE folder and open up a terminal. The first thing to do is to give permission for the Rebel interpreter to run. Once you've given it permission, the next step is to create the shortcut. Creating the shortcut, I typically use GNOME panel. It's pretty easy and intuitive, and it's got a pretty good GUI. Next, you're going to use a GNOME panel desktop shortcut that allows you to create a shortcut. It's pretty similar to Windows. So now I'm going to call the application ZOE HMI. In the command, you can actually browse to your location. So ZOE. First, you have to call the Rebel interpreter. Then I can copy this, go to the end, and add in a -s, and then paste the file path again. And instead of R3, you're going to type in zoe.r. So right here, at this point, your shortcut will be created when you hit OK. Sometimes it's nice to grab an icon, and actually in that ZOE folder, in the images directory, there is a nice ZOE icon that you can grab, and that will give it a nice looking icon, and then you just hit OK. So now if we go to our desktop, you can see that shortcut's created. Double click on it, and there you go.